yourself first. Good job.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right here, and so we can become friends. Don't be a stranger. Anyways, today we're going to do a review. Obviously, if you clicked on the video, then you know what it's going to be about. I'm going to talk about CHEBE. So for those of you who don't know what CHEBE is, it's basically, it usually comes in a powder form, and it's used by the women of Chad, and it's supposedly supposed to help you retain length and help with hair growth and all that good stuff. I will leave more information in the description box if you don't know anything about CHEBE. Now, I've wanted to try this powder for the longest time, but basically I did my research and I watched a lot of videos on YouTube, and it was just not for me, the powder form, because it comes in different forms. It comes in powder, oil, there's the paste, and then now the butter. They just came up with the butter, I do believe. But when I did my research at first, when I knew about it, it was only in powder, and the powder is not for everybody. It's very messy and it stains your pillows, and if you have a significant other, you do not want that. I did not want that, so I decided to hold on and not get the powder. It's basically not for everybody. Anyways, so fast forward, I found the butter. The company that I specifically got the butter from is called, the company is called Bushy combs. Here's their label. I'll leave their website in the description box, okay? And at first, to be honest with you guys, I was willing to try the paste because it's not as messy as the powder. Now, once I got it, the smell wasn't all that. It was just not for me, okay? Not for me. So I was anyways on the hunt for a new butter. I usually use shea butter, and I just wanted something different because my hair has been acting up for the longest time. I was shedding a whole lot, and my hair was so bad to the point where I was ready to cut off all my hair. And then I was like, okay, maybe I will give this product a try, and then if this doesn't save my hair, then oh well, I'll cut it off. Anyways, so I purchased the butter, you know, from Bushy Combs or whatever. Anyways, I will read you the label. So it basically says, for strong, healthy, long hair like the women of Chad. And then it tells you that the butter is a blend of natural butters, excuse me, and oils blend with authentic CHEBE powder from Chad. This is cut off, but I think it's trying to say to moisturize and strengthen hair, encouraging hair growth and length retention. The women of Chad have been using CHEBE seeds for years and have achieved floor length hair. Okay, and then the green ingredients in here are, the first ingredient is CHEBE powder, shea butter, mango butter, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, glycerin, orange essential oil, vitamin E, and then Melanin fragrance oil, natural, and then natural color. So the directions are, use CHEBE butter as a daily moisturizer, rub a quarter-sized amount into hair, avoiding scalp, can be applied daily or as needed, and then you can style as desired. Anyways, so the way I have been using it, I've been reapplying the butter every 2 to 3 days, and I just leave it in twist and I don't manipulate my hair very much. I basically try to do a lot of protective styles, so I leave my hair alone for as long as I can until I have to reapply the butter. Now I've used it quite a bit and it smells, I don't know. The CHEBE powder itself is supposed to be like very strong and an earthy smell, but this is a mix of that earthy smell, but you can kind of smell the melon, and I don't know, it smells sweet. It's not an overwhelming smell there. That's what I was trying to say. It's not overwhelming, and nothing to bother like your coworkers or whoever you hang out with. And I don't know, it's not bad. And once you put it in your hair, honestly, maybe I'm used to the smell, but honestly I don't smell it as much anymore. At first I thought that earthy smell was gonna be a lot noticeable, but really it's not. It's very subtle. It's not really that overwhelming. And so here is what it is. So I don't know, it looks a bit grainy. I don't know if you can quite see it, but the moment that you apply it, like it literally just kind of melts in your hands, you know? And that's what I love. Once you apply it, after I reapplied the second time, I noticed a few grains, you know, not a whole lot, just a little bit really, that will fall off from your hair. But it's made with the CHEBE powder, so, and that's grainy, so obviously the butter is gonna be grainy as well. So a few things that I've noticed since I started using the powder: my hair got that elasticity that I did not have like years back. I went from, I'm gonna insert a picture here, from this really to having my hair back to life. And then I also noticed that my hair is a lot darker. I don't know if that it's supposed to do that, but my hair definitely is a lot darker and it's a lot stronger. It has more volume. And what else? I am definitely noticing that I am retaining length, that's for sure. I don't know if it's because I'm not touching my hair as much. I don't know if it's because it's the butter, but I'm gonna say it's the butter because I'm doing the same things that I was doing before, only now I just incorporated the butter into my routine. So I want to say it is the butter. And then shedding was like my number one problem. I was shedding a whole lot, and now I'm seeing little shedding to none. Basically, ever since I started using the butter, which has been about 3 weeks, when I wash my hair, basically to detangle my hair, it used to take a whole lot of time. You know, all of you naturals know out there that wash day takes forever. So this cut down my time in half, because my hair is just like butter. I don't know how else to explain it, but the second that I'm trying to actually manipulate my hair, I don't even need to comb it because it just comes apart, literally. I don't know how else to explain it, but it's like, it's amazing, really. So I just like use my fingers. I don't need to really use a comb that much anymore, and that sold it for me. And honestly, I couldn't tell you if the powder or the paste is better, or I don't know anything, because I've only used the butter and I love it, and I would definitely purchase it again. So if you are interested in purchasing this particular butter, I will leave a link down below, then you can purchase it from this particular company, and the shipping is free always, so that was a plus. That's honestly the reason why I was like, okay, that I'll just get it. What do I have to lose, you know? And I think this was, I want to say $10. I could be lying. I'll double check. And I'll put the price somewhere up here or here. So yeah, I think it wasn't that expensive. It was very affordable, and a little bit, like I said, goes a long way. And this would last me, I want to say, 2 to 3 months, if not more than that. Would I purchase this again? Yes, definitely. I think this is a staple now, and I would definitely recommend it. So if any of you guys are interested, go ahead and give it a try. You know, it's just a mix of a bunch of butters. The only thing added is the CHEBE powder. So yeah, that's it. That's my reviews. If any of you guys are interested to see how I apply it, and you can just let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate. You can ask me anything, and I will let you know how things go. And if you want a length check monthly, or I don't know, maybe every 2 months, let me know as well. I could do those if you guys are interested. But I don't know. I have this paste that I purchased at first, you know, before I knew that there was a butter. So I might do a giveaway on this, but I'll let you guys know. So, because I don't think it's for me. I don't think I would do this paste. It's just not for me. But yeah, the butter is definitely amazing. So you guys go ahead and purchase that. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.